Hello and welcome to Learn Redis with Python and Django. I'm Xander and I'll be your guide throughout this course. Now this tutorial is part of a full course playlist available for free on YouTube. For a deeper, more structured learning experience, the complete course is also available on Udemy. You'll find all the links and resources in the video description. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, exclusive discounts and Udemy course giveaways. Redis is a lightweight, high-performance data store designed to work directly from memory rather than slower storage systems. It's often used where quick access to data is essential, offering simple structures like strings, lists, and sets for fast retrieval and updates. So this topic is important because understanding Redis's in-memory nature helps you see how it differs from traditional databases and why it's chosen for speed and simplicity. So Redis is an open source in-memory key value store. It's designed to provide incredibly fast data access by keeping everything directly in memory. It works with simple structures like strings, lists, and sets, and focuses on being lightweight and easy to use. So Redis shines in situations where speed and straightforward operations matter most. Now Redis stores all data in memory, which means it can access and modify information much faster than systems that rely on disk storage. So by skipping the slow read and write process to disk, Redis avoids common performance bottlenecks. Even though it's memory first, Redis can still be configured to save a snapshot of data to disk when needed. Now Redis is intentionally simple and lightweight. It supports a range of flexible data types like strings, hashes, and lists, allowing you to model basic data easily. Redis also provides optional persistent settings, so you can decide whether to save data over time. Every part of its design is aimed at making operations as fast and efficient as possible. Now, Redis is quite different from traditional databases like SQL-based systems. It stores data entirely in memory rather than on disk, which makes operations much faster. While traditional databases offer complex querying and relationships, Redis focuses on simple and quick access. Therefore, it's better suited when you need speed and don't require heavy relational operations. Using in-memory storage is what gives Redis its speed advantage. By keeping data close to the processor, Redis reduces latency and speeds up response times. It also makes handling data simpler because there's no need to constantly move it back and forth from disk. In-memory design becomes especially valuable when fast access to data is a key part of the task. Now, because Redis is in memory, it's often used for caching or caching, depending on where you come from in this world. So Redis is often used for caching, where storing frequently accessed data in memory can dramatically speed up applications. It's also popular for session storage in web apps, keeping user sessions data readily available in real-time analytics and messaging systems. Redis shines by providing instant data updates with minimal delay. Now, every tech has their strengths and weaknesses, and while in-memory storage offers speed, it does come with some trade-offs. The amount of data you can store is limited, always by the available memory. And memory is more expensive than disk storage. So persistence must also be planned carefully if data durability is important. Redis is a powerful tool, but it's not the best fit for every scenario. So Redis offers a simple and powerful approach to managing data built around speed, memory efficiency, and flexibility. Its in-memory design allows for fast, consistent operations, while its lightweight structures keeps development focused and efficient. So understanding how Redis handles data, how it compares to traditional databases, and where its design choices provide real benefits forms a strong foundation for using Redis effectively.